Welcome back, students. In our earlier video, we covered various methods and steps to change the desktop picture. We also saw various methods and steps to change the screen resolution. In today's session, we will cover various methods and steps to change the power and sleep options. Also, we'll see how to customize the lock screen. Changing the power and sleep options. Windows 10 provides the power and sleep option to save power or to prolong battery life. You can configure the power and sleep options. To achieve the same, first of all, you have to click the Start button and then click Settings. On the Settings window, click the System icon. From the left pane of the System window, click the Power and Sleep tab. To change the screen timeout duration, under the Screen section, from the When Plugged In, Turn Off After, there is a drop-down list. Select the duration which you feel is comfortable. For example, you can select 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you can go up to 5 hours also. But since our aim is to save the battery power, we will select 15 minutes here. Now this is the time after which the screen will go off. Now to change the sleep duration under the sleep section, from the When Plugged In, PC goes to sleep after, there is also a drop down list. Select the duration. For example, you can select from like 1 minute to 5 hours, and what we have selected is 30 minutes. So this is the time after which the PC will go into the standby mode. After you are done setting up the sleep and power options, you can close the settings window. Customizing the lock screen. The lock screen feature in Windows 10 allows you to protect your computer from unwanted access. This prevents others from accessing the computer. The lock screen appears when you lock the computer. The lock screen feature is enabled by default. If you are not using your computer or going away from the computer, you can lock it. Now one quick method to lock your computer is click on the Start button, which I have shown you with the red arrow. Then click on your profile picture. Okay, and after that you can see a menu that appears. Here you just click the lock button and you can lock your screen manually. Locking screen at workplaces is very important. For example, if a cashier of a bank or a teller of a bank or any other very important officer has to leave his place of work for some little work, he or she locks the computer before they leave so that nobody can edit or do mischief with their work. Another method to customize the lock screen is click Start, then click on to Settings. I have shown this on the screen. Now on the Settings window, click the Personalization icon. From the left pane of the Personalization window, click the Lock Screen tab. To change the lock screen background, from the background drop-down list, select Picture. I have shown it with red arrows. From the Choose Your Picture section, select an image. Close the settings window. Lock the computer to display the changed lock screen. The other options that you see in the background are Slideshow and Windows Spotlight. Now, the lock screen background can be set to display a slideshow of pictures in the library, or you can also use Windows Spotlight. Now, slideshow of pictures from the internet and Windows Spotlight both need a working internet connection. You can also allow some apps to display information on the lock screen. Either detailed information or short information about an app can be displayed. You can select only one app to display detailed information. To select an app to display the detailed information, first open the lock screen tab of the settings window. Then under the choose an app to show detailed status section, click the add icon or app icon. Select an app for the app selection menu. To select an app to display short information, under the choose apps to show quick status section, click any one of the plus icons or app icons. Select an app from the menu. You can also stop an app from displaying any information on the lock screen. To stop an app from displaying information on the lock screen, under the choose an app to show detailed status or choose apps to show quick status section, click the app icon, select none from the app selection menu. With this we come to the end of this chapter. Tomorrow we shall be sending you the exercise which you are supposed to do as an assignment. Also, students, those who have computers at home, please practice these techniques practically so that you become well versed in customizing Windows 10.